So today I'm going to be going over how to install the comfort strap mod for the HD6x0 style headphones. I developed this mod a long time ago, and I have since lost most of the original parts that you discard during this mod. So I'm using some of the parts as a proxy, so if some of these parts don't look exactly the same, don't worry, it's in the same spots. So the first thing you're going to do is to disassemble the headphones. On either side, there will be a retaining clip right here that mine come out really easy because I've taken them in and out a lot, but some of yours will be very difficult to come out. That's why I recommend using a flathead screwdriver to get under the lip here and then pry out. And once you have both of those out, the original ones out, you can take the yoke off just by pulling on it on both sides, and then the original pad should be in this channel here, and you just slide it out like that. Now on this headband there are two channels in here. There's the outer channel that's for the yokes and the inner channel that's for the headband pad. What we're going to want to do is replace that headband pad with this flat strip that comes with the set. So just put it on the first channel and slide it all the way through into the other end, and then set that down. And we're going to take the comfort strap with this little hole right here, put the yoke through it, and then slide the adjustment band behind that piece of plastic into the other channel like that. Okay, we'll do it for the other side too, where we put the band through first and then into that back channel. Alright, you can stop here. A lot of people do for some reason, but you take these retaining clips that have this little groove in them and you install them in. And what you want to do is take the lip of the comfort strap and push it up into that channel so it's sitting and held in place. And do that with the other side. Alright, and then slide that up and in so it's held in place, and there you go, comfort strap installed.